Brinsby. Thanks for watching Brinsby TV. I had a really sweet car today coming on the Dyno Cell. I definitely want to show it to you. If you haven't, hey, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date on cool videos on cars like this. This is a 2016 Roush RS3. Has a phase 2 kit. We installed some Cook's headers. What we're going to do right now is go around and look at the engine compartment. I'll show you that. Then we're going to make a dyno pull. All right, so what we have is the phase 2 kit. Now this car from the factory came with what they call the phase 1. So let's just take a real quick look. Doug's with me today at this engine compartment. So it's the Roush TVS 2300 Supercharger. We did add the Ford Performance throttle body, and then is the phase 2 upgrade package. Just about 10 PSI boost, running 93 octane. It's a manual transmission car. We installed Cook's headers and a resonator delete. This car has active exhaust, which sounds awesome. And hey, look at this right here. So this is how you know on a Roush car. If you look at this tag, it's serial number, that 16 stands for 2016, and it's car number 138 and then RS3. So that's how you know, maybe if you're ever buying a Roush car, like the tag right there tells you it really is, because a lot of people try to make copies of these. But it's a pretty sick setup. I ran the stage 2 kit, or they call it a phase 2 kit, on my 15 Mustang for a long time. I did a lot of racing with it. It's really reliable. It just has a Roush calibration on it. We do have JLT oil separators installed as well, and a big Adler high flow radiator, because we want to keep the thing as cool as possible. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a dyno pull, see what it makes, so we'll check out the graph. Something I want to mention before we look at this graph is I know I said this is an RS3 Mustang, but this kit is available for 15 to 17 Mustangs as well. If you have a normal GT, you can buy the phase 2 Roush Supercharger, and actually if you have an 18 or newer, or even 11 to 14, we have other packages for that as well. I'll put links in the description. You can email quote@brinsby.com. See how much it costs to get installed. But right now, let's check out the numbers. So 619 to the tires, SAE. And that was at 6,900 RPMs. I'm gonna explain why I didn't go higher than that. Torque, rear wheel torque, 538 at 4,600 RPMs. Again, SAE. Now, these will typically make power higher RPM than 6,900, but because this has a Roush calibration, it has about 150 mile an hour speed limiter on it. So you make your runs with the manual transmission in 5th gear. I was hitting the speed limiter right at 150 mile an hour, which is exactly about 6,900 RPM. Still great numbers, 619 to the tires. So we have another over 600 rural horsepower S550 with a really, really, really reliable supercharger. I love that, and it's a killer setup. So if you have questions about this particular package, please leave a comment, happy to answer. And again, don't forget, email quote@brinsby.com to get a price on getting installed. Thanks for watching. One last thing. Hey Doug, I think we should actually listen to what this exhaust sounds like, because we have the active exhaust. So I want to do a couple revs with the active off. I'll turn the active on so you can hear how much louder it is. What's great about the active exhaust is you're in a quiet neighborhood, you want to keep the car quiet, you can. You're out on the street, you want it to be tough and loud, you can. So Doug, going on back, I'll rev it up a couple times, I'll switch it. That is awesome. Thanks for watching.